Terry Log, you're watching Bison TV. EA Sports, it's in the game.
Here they come again, the Elite League bound Lightning, the latest to come to a packed Basingstoke arena where the Sherfield School Bison were in the hunt to build upon their 4-point weekend last time out. Support running as deep as the ice at the home of the herd as the Lions continue to play their magical mystery dance. Having been put to the sword to the tune of 4 last time out, the Lightning wanted to make an impact. But with Frankiset Bakaric missing glorious chances like this, Kieran Long would eventually have the perfect response. The young British forward reminding a certain someone in the building that maybe a look on the international scene wouldn't go amiss. A stunning finish, well deserving of not only a nod from the security guard, but also a couple of Barracuda Network replays to throw into the mix as well. And also a reminder at the other end to a certain number 83 to book himself in for a visit to our great sponsors at Specsavers. Kieran certainly has, and made a right spectacle of the moment as the first period drew to a close. Always important to keep those ears covered up. Maybe it would be the eyes that needed to be sheltered in the second as the Sherfield School Basingstoke Bison continued to hound on the MK net. Obdrobny and the MK defence eventually just doing enough to stuff out the opportunity. And that would prove crucial as a power play chance soon after would bring rewards. A trickler into the net after Milan Baranic just got a tip on the puck for the equaliser. Would soon be without one of their key men in a moment not seen by many in the rink. Lewis Hook being called for offside, allegedly, before shooting into an empty net and drawing the wrath of the home team, for which Kieran Long picked up an attempted butt-ending penalty. Answers on a postcode if you could see it to Blinded by the White Ice at Bison TV. Into the third we go. Whoever got the next goal would take a stranglehold of the game. And luckily for the Sherfield School Basingstoke Bison, Sean Thompson was on hand to batter the puck in. A fine forehand winner, well worth catching again on the Barracuda Networks replay. Straight into the net thanks to some great hand-eye coordination. Another man displaying such skills at the other end was Tomasz Hiedlowski. The Slovakian netminder calmly coming up with the big glove save when it mattered most. And the hosts were beginning to find themselves in the wars too. Derek Rail getting an unwelcome introduction to the Planet Ice Polar Bear and Penguins, courtesy of Blas Emesic, who even amazingly questioned the call. Bison were next to fall into penalty trouble of their own though, Kurt Reynolds picking up a check to the head penalty, which could all be about angles of the incident. Needless to say, the Bison having to dig deep to keep out that power play opportunity. MK really trying to put the pressure on, but Hielowski and the defence were holding firm to keep any opportunities at bay. A delay of game penalty handed Milton Keynes another man advantage and even switched up to their British netminder. But in their latest version of "We're an Elite League club, get us out of here," Rene Jarlin's decisive goal was a bush tucker challenge, a dish of revenge served cold. Another home win for the Herd, another unforgettable night.